Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just took this out of the overlay bag that it came in and oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is my Southern Fleek box from Nikki over on Etsy. Let's get into this and talk about it. Smell it, play with it. Is sent to me for review, but since we review it here on the channel, I have a code Catherine. You can use it on Nikki's Southern Fleek Bath Etsy site. I will put the link to that down below for you. This makes me so happy. It smells so good. I want to get into it. On her site, she does these monthly subscription boxes, but you can also buy individual pieces. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this must have been March. I haven't, uh-oh, I'll go get that. I haven't had it too long. But this must have been the March box. We get the little piece of paper that tells us a little bit about each of the items in here. Hang on, I'll go get whatever dropped. Glass up and see what I dropped. I will do this again because some of you let me know it absolutely worked last month, so that's awesome. Pink, I think this one takes you over to Insta, and this one here takes you to her Facebook, and then I'll flip it around and you can do the same here. That is, the one I'm covering is wholesale, you don't care about that, but that is her retail shop. So you can click on any of those and it'll take you over there. I will, of course, link her below. And we have, that is so cute, a cute little sticker that says Lucky. I will set this aside. These are so in now, as I have learned from all of my grandbabies, that they're putting these all over. Like, I have my Stanley up here today. I mean, I would not on my Stanley, although I will tell you, it will look really good. Not doing it. At least not yet. This one's too new. I had to get myself this new 30 because the 40s are so heavy and that color is gorgeous. Anyway, back to the box. It is all wrapped up in shamrocks and green so beautifully. And when we lift up the top, you can see so many of the products. All right, tucked right in, we have a bottle, tub. It's a tub, it's not a bottle. Don't be silly, Catherine. It says Lucky Blue Moon Sugar Scrub. Yum. I love her sugar scrubs. I am just now finishing up the Christmas one that, in all fairness, I started late. I probably like to scrub, I don't know how often you're supposed to do it, but I would say I do it every third day maybe. I do, and I just, we have talked in the past about my love for bath gels and how I use way too much. I mean, I squeeze it on a loofah like my life is depending on it. I do the same thing with body scrubs, apparently. This is the Lucky Blue Moon Sugar Scrub. Moisturize and exfoliate at the same time with this sweet treat. Top notes of sugar, middle notes of marshmallow, and bottom notes of cotton candy. Not affiliated with General Mills. Oh, so Lucky Blue Moon, like Lucky Charms. Being as Irish as I am, you think I could do a better accent than that. I'm gonna unscrew it the first time, but as I have shown you guys in the past, once you open it and you take this off, just the little cover that it has, you can put your lid back on and then you can just lift that when you're in the bath. It took me far too, oh my gosh. This might be what I smell. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh. That is what it looks like. Anyway, it took me far too long with my first one of these to realize it did that, and I was unscrewing it each time, and I can't tell you when you're in the bath or the shower how much easier that is to do. Okay, I have a little bit on the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the back of my hand. That is what it looks like. Ooh, it feels kind of marshmallowy. I like the way that feels. When you spread it out, it's just, can you guys see the blue of it? And it's kind of scrubbly. Oh, it smells so good. It smells kind of like, you know, the real sugary milk smell when you're done with your cereal. It does kind of smell like that. I like that a lot. I will definitely be using that. Next up, ooh, what is this? It's like a pot of gold. Look, oh, upside down. It's a rainbow in a pot. See how it looks like a pot of gold? It's called Pot of Gold Bubble Balm. So the outside is plastic and the balm is on the inside. The bath bomb is on the inside. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Pot of Gold Bubble Balm. This gold shimmery bubbly bath treat is a moisturizing bath bomb and bubble bath at the same time. Just dissolve under running water, scented in a duplication of Skittles, not affiliated with the Wrigley Company. Oh my gosh, I can smell it through the plastic. Can you smell it? It smells so good, guys. I don't know that if you put this up to my nose, I would definitely say Skittles because Skittles is kind of fruity, sugary. But I would absolutely describe this as fruity, sugary. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Next out, it's all well wrapped. We have, oh, it's got a little shamrock on it, or clover. I guess it depends on whether you're Irish or not. I have always called them shamrocks, not clover. This is a lime and lemongrass shower steamer. I love seeing these in the box because I know some of you say that you shower more than you bathe, so this is fun for that. Lemongrass lime shower steamer. This shower steamer is powerful and refreshing. Place or hang where water will splash to enjoy a spa experience in your own bathroom. What I do is I have just an old-fashioned tub, and when I shower, I put it, so you know the shower head's here, and I'm facing the long length of my bath. I put it just beyond where the water goes, so that it just it's hit with water periodically so it doesn't melt too fast, but it does get hit because you want it to release the scent, and the way it releases it is with the water. This smells so good. I can absolutely smell the lemongrass. I don't know that I can smell the lime, but it smells delicious. Next out, we have Shake Your Shamrock. Shake Your Shamrock Bath Bomb. That is what that looks like. It's just basically like a white disc that says Shake Your Shamrock. What's the paperwork say? Shake Your Shamrock Bath Bomb. This yummy bath bomb will make you feel extra lucky. It streams beautiful colors in your tub and is scented in an equally fun scent. Top notes of berries, middle note of bubbles, and bottom notes of jam. So although it's white, when you use it, you're gonna get a lot of colors. That is fun. It does just kind of smell like berries to me. Who knows what happens when you get it wet, but right now it smells like berries to me. That smells good. I can't wait to see what colors it does. Okay, next out, it's a gorgeous, doesn't that look just like a cupcake? Like a cupcake you want to give a friend. It is Irish Cupcake Bath Bomb with bubble icing. I'm gonna take this out so you guys can totally see it. It smells so good right here. I would say now that I've gotten everything unwrapped, I'm really getting that lemongrass lime scent from the shower steamer. So this is what this looks like once we get it out of the overwrap. And then, like, she put it in a cute little Shamrock cupcake holder. And then that is what that is. Okay, Shamrock Cupcake. Enjoy fluffy bubbles and bright green moisturizing water. This sweet, refreshing fragrance has top notes of creme pistachio, middle notes of pineapple, and bottom notes of tart lime. That is so interesting. I smell the pistachio. It's just, I don't know. Honestly, it just smells good. I don't know that I could have told you all three of those scents were in there. Oh, there's the pineapple though. Once you know it and you spend some time with it, you can identify it. But I don't know that I could have, well, you guys know. I stink. I'm not great at scents. So I'm not great at being like, I get coffee and tea leaves and purple heather at dawn in a Scottish Highlands. I'm not that good. This smells fantastic though. And now, even though I've taken it out of the overwrap, it's still so pretty. And last but not least, we have a Lucky You Bath Bomb. And it's a 4-leaf clover, so you are definitely lucky. Lucky You Bath Bomb. This huge bath bomb will make your water soft and shimmery, scented in the bright, refreshing scent Awaken. Top notes of lemon drop candy, middle notes of citrus on a bed of lemongrass. Oh, it smells good. What I do feel like, what is Awaken? I feel like I know this scent. What scent is Awaken? Is it hers? How do I know this scent? That smells so good. I'm trying to put the cupcake back together so that I can show you guys and do a pretty flat lay picture. I don't know how much time Nikki spent putting all of these things together, but some of it was absolutely wrapped up in getting the tool on the cupcake. That was not an easy job, and I didn't make it look anywhere near as pretty as she did. But we had our beautiful Lucky Cupcake, the Shake Your Shamrock that looks white, but she said when we use it, it's going to be a lot of colors. I cannot wait to see what colors those are. We had the Pot of Gold Bubble Balm. That is so stinking cute. The Lucky Blue Moon Sugar Scrub smells good. Also going to make you very soft. The Lemongrass and Lime Shower Steamer. And the huge Lucky You Bath Bomb. How fun is that box? The theme, the scents, it is magical. I love getting this box. Okay, Again, I will put my code Catherine down below for you with a link to her Etsy shop. It will get you 10% off anything in her Etsy shop. If subscription boxes aren't for you, she does a million things that aren't subscription boxes. Thank you so much for coming by. Thank you to Nikki for sending this over. I will put her information down below in case you want to go over and follow her like on Insta. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And have a great evening, guys. Go take a nice bath.